yan.
Niluluto ng babo pa, di ba?
Tama-tama, yung isang ticket bawas na lang dito. Kami na lang
Sound,
nagkakit.
one, sound. Sound, check one. Sound. Sound, check. Sound, check. Sound, check one, sound. Sound, check one, sound, check one. Sound, check one, sound, one, two, sound, check one, sound. Okay ba? Sound, check one, sound. One, two, check one. Kuya, may insurance ka ba? May insurance ka? Baka bibigyan. Binabati daw namin si JR Kalim. Nagkakabit daw ng banner natin, palakpakan naman daw. Binuwis ang kanyang buhay para malagay lang yung tarpaulin natin.
Amo siya mahulog yan.
Yung insurance daw niya, ano ba yan?
Dalayang bakilan niyo.
Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go.